So this should just be a reminder, but if you haven't done it before, I'm going to show you. To practice your chords, go to musictheory.net. At the top, go to exercises. You can start with chord ID. Make sure you go to settings, treble bass clef. I would just set it to no key signature. Make sure you set it for all our 7th chords. You can practice it in root position first, okay, and then you can do your inversions. I would be at least a difficulty level 3, but you can start at 1 and build up. So this is just ID, right? So we start with, we find the root, okay, so that is D, F, A flat, that's a diminished triad, A flat to C flat, minor third, fully diminished 7th, and you just keep going. Okay, so this is just ID. Go to construction, chord construction, same principle. You can start with a level 2 on this one. Chords, make sure you have our 7th chords. Treble bass clef, no accidentals, inversions. Okay, now the thing to know here is that when you do construction, it gives you the bass note. Okay, so see how it says select a note to modify? You cannot change the bass note. It doesn't give you the root, it gives you the bass note. So it means that you need a major 7th chord that has a D natural as the 5th. Right, so we know it'll be G, B, D, that's our major triad. And then I need a major 3rd, D to F sharp. There it is. Again, it gives you the bass note, not necessarily the root. Here it just so happens that the root is in the bass, right? So a diminished 7th on F sharp, I need a diminished triad. F sharp AC, fully diminished, so I need E flat. There you go. And set yourself a timer for 5 minutes and see if you can get through to 25. Also, when you're doing these, you should, good idea to do these with blank staff paper in front of you. Write down everything that you're doing. That way you're also practicing putting the note heads on the paper, writing the accidentals in order, all of the above. All right, if you have questions, let me know.